Hello everyone, my name is Laura Modali and welcome to Science for Education, supporting teaching and learning in science education. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about dissection materials. But before I continue, I would like to personally thank our friend Neil, who has been so generous in supporting us by sending us these dissection materials. Neil, we will be able to use these dissection materials for 6 episodes, which will hopefully support all science teachers that use our videos for their classrooms. So, thank you very much, Neil. Here I have different kinds of mammals organs. This kit contains a sheep brain, a sheep heart, a sheep kidney, a sheep eye, and prepared microscope slides of each organ, cardiac muscle section from the heart, kidney median section, cornea section from the eyeball, and cerebellum section from the brain. You can get this from Carolina Biological Supply website for $48.85 plus shipping. You can also order them through Amazon for the same price with shipping. I personally have used these dissection materials several times from this company and have not had any problems with their specimens. For those of you who are new to teaching dissection, you don't have to worry about instruction because this kit comes with a manual. You can also find some dissection videos on the internet. We will launch dissection videos in this channel for the next several weeks, and if you have more materials, you can always practice by yourself first before you do it with students in your class or lab. Next, I have a dissection pan. This one I got from Amazon for $24.13, but at the time of this recording, they have reduced the price to $21.99. Cosmetically, it doesn't look great, but it has good quality because it's made from aluminum and wax. The dimensions are 11.5 by 7.5 by 1.5 inches. You can clean this after use to reuse it again. You can also get something similar to this from the Carolina Biological Supply website for $30.95 plus shipping, but they also have ones with a cheaper price, made from aluminum and vinyl pad instead of wax for $16.25. Now, here I also have 2 different kinds of dissection toolkits. One is smaller than the other. So the small one I got as a donation for my science class like a year ago, and it comes with a zip case, vinyl on the outside, and velvet on the inside. Inside you will find 7 tools, a 1.5-inch stainless steel scalpel, a glass dropper or pipette, 4.5-inch dissecting scissors, 4.5-inch fine point forceps, a straight teasing needle with plastic handle, a bent teasing needle with plastic handles, and a 6-inch plastic ruler for simple measurements. Now, at the time of recording, the price is $13.43. I think this compact kit of dissecting tools is good for beginner students in middle grades through high school. The only thing lacking from the kit is dissection T-pins, but you can get the pins for less than $10 on Amazon for 100 pack. If you want a little bit more advanced kit, there is this one from GEM Essentials with 29 tools including scalpel knife replacements and T-pins. I got this kit a couple years ago from Amazon for $19.74, but as of the time of recording, this one is unavailable on Amazon. But they have one from the same brand without T-pins for $16.99. You may have noticed that these 2 kits come with 2 different styles of scalpel. The compact kit comes with a fixed blade scalpel, and the advanced kit comes with single-use scalpel blades. They both require different care. The fixed blade needs to be cleaned thoroughly after use, and the single-use blade needs to be disposed of safely, which means you will need a blade receptacle. That's all for today's episode. I hope this helped inform you about dissection materials for your science activities. If you want to see our dissection videos as they come out, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell. I will see you next time.